Hello guys, let's make some delicious almond milk together. First thing first, we'll be measuring 2 cups of almond milk. The quantity depends on how much you want for the milk processing. So I'm doing 2 cups of that, and then I'll pour some water. Be generous with your water over it, and then cover that with any parchment paper, this plastic paper or anything else, and then put that in your refrigerator for at least overnight or more than 8 hours. And then the next morning, this is how it looks like. It's kind of dirty, very dirty when it's soaked, so make sure you wash that thoroughly. And after washing it, I transfer that to my blender as so, and then added at least 500 ml of water over it, and then blend together for at least 1 minute, depending on what blender you're using. I added a little bit of salt for preservation because I will not be consuming this in just a day. It will be like a couple of days in the fridge before it is fully consumed. But as a disclaimer, you should do this milk in small quantities so that you will be able to consume the entire quantity before it goes out, since you don't have the preservatives to preserve it in your refrigerator as normal. So after blending this, I'll be transferring that to this chiffon cloth to sieve and then take out the juice from it. It's the juice we want, not the shafts, okay? So this is the consistency, and that's how it's looking after blending it for 1 minute. And you can already see the milk, the creaminess in this particular recipe, and it's so good. At this point, you will need some energy to squeeze out that juice out of it, and you do it like so. And make sure you apply a lot of pressure to take out every liquid from this. Just like so. And at the end of the day, everything was out of it. I mean, when I say everything, I applied a lot of pressure and every juice came out of it. And that's the creamy milk we get. It's looking so beautiful, so delicious. At this point, you'll be salivating. You just want to drink some milk, and this milk is packed with so much vitamins, so much nutrients, packed with protein, and taking this on smoothies or in the evening encourages or enhances sleep at night. If you drink, just have a glass of this in the evening. If you have sleep problems, you can take this in the evening, whether it is warm or cold. It will help to enhance your sleep in the evening, and plus the fact that you're consuming high protein that will keep you fuller throughout your evening, and you will not be able to consume any other snacks in between your meals. Probably maybe you don't want to consume anything after 6 o'clock, but taking a glass of this maybe by 7-8 o'clock is not a bad idea, right? Because it's liquid and it's easily digested, and also helps to sleep. It helps you to sleep properly, and it's more plant-based. So why wouldn't you try? So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you'll be trying this recipe, okay? Look at how creamy it is. Look at that. There it is. 1 liter liter of almond milk, homemade, ready and ready. Let's make some delicious chocolates. So I have here with me some cocoa powder. I'm putting 2 cups of that, 2 teaspoons. I'm going to set this in the microwave for 1 minute and take it out, and there you go. My milk is ready. A cocoa powder. Yeah. And my warm chocolate is ready. Oh my god. Hammer. Look at how creamy this is. Very creamy and tasty. Look at super delicious. And if you use this on your smoothies, I mean, you thank me. You use this on your smoothies, it will be so mind-blowing. Look at that. 1 liter from 2 cups of almond. So here is my conclusion of comparing the processed almond milk and my own homemade almond milk. So you can see I'm making this comparison for you to see the difference. My homemade almond is so clear, creamier than the processed one. You can see that. See the difference? Let's try the other one. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. You can see the milkiness in this one, the one I just made, and the clarity in this one. This one is more shinier and this one is more brownier, and if you can see that. And then look at the content, it's more creamy. So that's just the simple comparison I wanted to do. This is the simple comparison I wanted to do when it comes to making my own homemade almond milk and the one that we buy from the shops. And you can see the difference is very clear with these 2 presentations. Look at the one I did at home, homemade almond milk, and the one I bought from the shop. I don't know how to make the camera to show you really details, but this is how it looks. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you. Love with you. The difference is clear, right? So true. Look at the milkiness in this one, and then look at the difference in this one. So the difference is quite clear.